Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm preparing an easy, delicious, healthy Bolognaise sauce served with penne pasta. And here is a run through of all my ingredients. We have some broccoli, carrot, onion, garlic, bell pepper, celery stick, pasta sauce of choice, black pepper and salt, season cubes. These are vegetable season cubes, and garlic, onion powder, and Italian seasons. These are all the ingredients we'll be using for now. And of course, our ground beef. I'm using lean ground beef, so I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. So take a screenshots of all the ingredients and let's head over to the stove. First call of action is to preheat about a tablespoon of oil. Reason being, you're going to see why I add this much oil in the beginning. I'm going to add my lean ground beef. Yes, if this was regular ground beef, then I wouldn't have add the olive oil. I'm just going to stir this well until the meat change color from pink to brown. And then we go on to the next step. But if it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you're a foodie and you love easy recipe. And to my day one returning supporters, thank you guys so much for always coming back. So here I'm adding my chopped onion to one side. As you see, I push the ground beef to a side. After around a minute or so, I'm going to add the garlic. Stir this well and keep an eye on it. We don't want our garlic to burn. So this is a step by step. So just watch me as I continue cooking and I'll come back in a bit. Okay guys, for the pasta you can use spaghetti. I only have penne, so I'm going to use some penne. And for the sauce, I'm going to add my broccoli pieces at this minute. As you realize, we're doing this step by step. We don't want our broccoli to be smushy, so that's why I added it last, okay? And then we're going to add our bell peppers after the broccoli cook for a minute or so. Then we're going to add the bell pepper and allow this to simmer in the sauce for a couple of seconds. Then we can turn this off. And here is our finished dish, guys. This tastes so delicious and it's easy to prepare. You can also mix this together if you choose. Whichever way, it's very delicious. So thanks again guys for watching. So please like the video, share, hype, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.